Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. All praises go to the Most High. Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful day. Welcome, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for today's video. Today, we're going to be making an African print fabric earring using some beautiful African print fabric. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and get right on into this here video. I'm going to show y'all everything that you are going to need for this here how to make video. So I purchased some fabric from Dr. Veronica Shyaam. I am going to make sure this is one of her scraps that she sent me. I bought a bundle of scraps, okay? So I'm going to show y'all today, and I will leave all of her information somewhere down in the description box for those of you who need some scraps or want to buy some remnants, some yards of fabric, okay? She sells both. So I'm going to be using that fabric, and I have already taken the liberty to cut a piece. I have my scissors. I have my 12 gauge aluminum wire. You're going to need 2 fish hooks. These right here I purchased from the Dollar Tree. They're called wood rings, and the company that sells them are called Crafter Square. These you can find at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to say this. Whenever you go to the Dollar Tree, y'all, and you see these, grab them because it's on a first come, first serve basis, okay? You will also need your wire cutters and your round nose pliers. And last but not least, your hot glue gun, okay? You're going to definitely need this. You're going to need 2 cowrie shells. And the length of my wire is about 26 inches long. Now, you won't be needing that much, okay? You won't need that much, but y'all know I always tell you to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. All right, so scissors. So the very first thing we're going to do is, let me show you this piece. Now, this piece here, I cut it about 1 inch thick. And I always, well, actually, this is not 1 inch thick. It's a little bit more than 1/2 of an inch. Let me see. Wait a minute. Hold up. It's about wait a minute. Yeah, it's about 1 inch thick. It's about 1 inch thick. And basically what I do is I fold my sides like this. I take my iron and I iron it down just like this, okay, to make one whole piece. Now, the piece that you're going to be wrapping, this piece is going to be on the inside, okay? And this is going to be on the outside, all right? So let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm going to take my glue gun, and I'm going to put some glue just like this inside of my fabric. And then I'm just going to take my hands and do just like that, okay? The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my scissors and just snip that little piece off right there. I'm going to go ahead and glue this on, and I'm going to start wrapping this on my wood piece. So I'm going to take and put a little bit of glue right here. And I'm going to take this and place it just like this. Just like that, okay? And I'm going to start wrapping this, okay? So I have it just like this. I'm turning it just like this. And this is how I'm going to wrap it. Now, when you are wrapping this, okay, you want to pull your piece to make sure that it's nice and tight. Okay, pull it, making sure that it's nice and tight when you go around. Okay, pull it through. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right, just like this. And I know this is off subject, but could y'all please make sure that you thumbs up this here video so that this video can go into rotation. Okay, now as you can see what I'm doing, I'm pulling it as tight as I can get it. Okay, I'm coming over a little bit, pulling it because you want it to be nice and tight. All right, you want it to be nice and tight. So this is pretty much what I'm doing right here. And you're going to do this all the way around your wood piece. And we are almost to the finish line. Okay. I picked this fabric because I thought that this fabric to me is a good fall fabric. I like all the colors. All the colors. So here we have it. We're really at the end. Okay. And we're going to take it through one more time. And I'm going to bring it just like this. Okay. So this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take and just add some glue right here. Just like that. And I'm going to take and pull this just like this, as tight as I can get it. Okay, so once you get here, you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to snip this just like that. Okay. I'm going to take my glue gun and just hit it with a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to take and just do just like that. Okay, y'all, so the next thing we want to do is, once we get all that squared away, we're going to take our wire and we're going to take it through the front. Now you want to make sure that where your glue is, that's where you want to do all your wire wrapping. Okay, so you're going to take it through just like this. You're going to leave a generous amount of this wire, and let me measure this off so y'all can really know how many inches to leave. Leave at least about 3.5 to 4 inches of wire. Okay, so take it through like this. Like I said, leave about 3 to 4.5 inches. And then you're going to pinch it up like this. All right, and pinch this piece up like that. Okay, and then bring this piece with all your strength to the back. Okay, and start wrapping it around just like this. You're going to wrap it a good about 5 times. Okay, so we're wrapping this. Just like that. Okay, so let me show you what you should have. All right, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come down and I'm going to start making some loops. So I'm going to take my wire and go like this with it, so y'all can see, and then make one loop here. Okay, and then I'm going to make another loop just like this. So that's my second loop. Okay, got 2 loops there. Now, let me see so y'all can see. Then I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to wrap it around my piece just like this, okay? And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to make, actually, let me wrap it twice. So that's one and then twice. And I'm going to come down like this and I'm going to make another loop just like this. All right, make another loop. And I'm going to bring it out just like that. Okay. All right. Straighten this up. It's a lot going on. Okay. So this is going to come up like that. And then the very last thing we're going to do is you're going to snip off some of this wire because it is too long, but it's all good. I'm going to snip off maybe about that much. And then I'm going to take my pliers, my round nose pliers, come here. And I'm going to start wrapping this just like this, making some spirals. All right. Take my finger and just wrap it the rest of the way. Okay. Just like this. All right, y'all. And this is going to be, it should be big enough to fill in your hole. Okay. This is what you're going to have. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your cowrie shell and you're going to, if you make a decision to sell these, okay, and I have already completed one, so I'm going to show y'all the one that I've already completed. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your cowrie shell and you're going to add on your glue, just like this, and give it a generous amount. Place that right in the center, okay? And then you want to take and pinch this over, come up here and just snip it. And then you're going to make a loop, just like that. Straighten this up. All right. And then you are going to add on your fish hook, and you got yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. Okay. You can use any type of African print fabric that you have to achieve this look. Whatever you have, okay, whatever African print fabric you have. It don't even necessarily have to be African print fabric, but you can use whatever fabric you have. If it's regular fabric, denim fabric, whatever you have, you can use it, okay? So with that being said, I want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Thank y'all so very much for joining me. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. See ya.